Hey everyone, this is Sebastian from Ion Audio. Today, I'll be showing you how to connect two Solar Rock multi-sync speakers together so you can enjoy your music from anywhere outdoors. After powering on your first speaker,
Power on.
you'll want to go into the Bluetooth settings of your phone and connect the Solar Rock multi-sync. You may see a Solar Rock BLE device in the list, but that is for use with the Sound XP app and is not used to play audio. Once your Bluetooth is connected,
Bluetooth connected.
double-click the link button over on the right. When you see the green light, power on the second Solar Rock speaker. If the second speaker has a solid blue light, that means it automatically connected to a device. If this is the case, press and hold the Bluetooth button in the middle to disconnect it.
Bluetooth disconnected.
Once the blue light on the second speaker is blinking, double-click the sync button to put that speaker into multi-sync mode.
Multi-sync mode.
Then your two speakers will sync together.
Synced.
Please keep in mind that it may take up to a minute for the second speaker to sync. The Ion multi-sync technology allows you to link more than just a single pair of speakers. If you have additional Ion multi-sync compatible speakers, such as the Ion Acadia, simply repeat the linking procedure by double-clicking the link button on any additional speaker. Do this one at a time and allow each speaker to fully connect before connecting another.
Synced.
The speaker will search for and connect to any primary speaker within a 30-foot radius. Check in the description for a full list of speakers that use the Ion multi-sync technology. If you still need assistance, please click the link in the description to submit a technical support request or connect with one of our technical support representatives.